Mechanical keyboards have surged in popularity as typists and gamers chase a tactile, responsive experience that improves speed and satisfaction. Enthusiasts favor distinct switch types and solid builds, while newcomers seek sensible layouts and good value.
List number 1. E-Help Electric Car Jack Kit 5-ton 12V Hydraulic Car Jack. The E-Help Electric Car Jack Kit is one of the most advanced and powerful lifting tools designed for effortless roadside tire changes and vehicle maintenance. With its 5-ton lifting capacity, it's perfect for SUVs, sedans, and even small trucks. This 12V hydraulic jack connects directly to your car's cigarette lighter or battery clips, providing fast and efficient lifting with minimal effort. Design and build. The E-Help jack features a rugged steel construction that ensures durability and stability during use. The compact design includes a sturdy carrying case that neatly stores the jack, impact wrench, and accessories. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful addition for nighttime emergencies.
List number 2. Electric Car Jack 5-ton 12-volt digital display electric jack. This 5-ton 12-volt electric car jack stands out with its integrated digital display that allows users to monitor lifting height and pressure in real time. Designed for convenience and precision, it's an excellent choice for vehicle owners who value advanced features and quick performance. Design and build. With a durable metal frame and reinforced base, this jack provides excellent stability even on uneven ground. The digital display is bright and easy to read, helping users avoid overlifting or exceeding safe weight limits. Performance. Powered via the vehicle's 12-volt outlet, it can lift most cars, SUVs, and small trucks within 2 minutes. The automatic stop mechanism halts operation once the set height is achieved, minimizing risks. The built-in LED work light ensures visibility during night use or poor weather conditions. Ease of use. Its control panel is intuitive, with clear up-down buttons and a digital interface. The compact carrying case organizes all tools, including the electric wrench and power cables for quick access.
List number 3. Electric Car Jack Kit 5-ton 12-volt floor jack portable hydraulic. This 5-ton 12-volt electric floor jack combines power, portability, and safety in a compact design. Built with high-grade steel and an efficient hydraulic system, it's engineered to make lifting tasks effortless for both professional and home mechanics. Design and construction. The jack features an ergonomic handle, a solid base, and anti-slip grooves to ensure stability. Its compact suitcase-style case keeps all tools organized, including a power cord, wrench, and safety gloves. The waterproof design allows it to perform well in any weather condition. Performance. With a lifting range from 6.1 to 17.7 inches, it efficiently handles sedans, SUVs, and minivans. The hydraulic mechanism ensures smooth, controlled lifting, while the built-in safety lock maintains the vehicle's position securely. It draws power from the 12-volt car socket, enabling quick and steady lifting in just under 2 minutes.
List number 4. Electric Car Jack Kit 5-ton 12-volt electric floor jack lift. This electric floor jack kit offers robust lifting power and convenience for everyday drivers and DIY mechanics. With its 5-ton lifting capacity and wide height range, it's compatible with most vehicles, from sedans to SUVs. Design and build. The jack features heavy-duty steel construction for superior stability and durability. Its ergonomic design includes a non-slip surface and a reinforced base to ensure steady lifting. The kit comes with an electric impact wrench, gloves, and a bright LED light for visibility in dark conditions. Performance. It efficiently raises vehicles within 2 minutes using the car's 12-volt power source. The lifting range of 6 to 17 inches provides versatility for various vehicle types. An integrated safety lock keeps the car secure while lifted, ensuring user protection during repairs. Ease of use. The control system is simple and intuitive. Plug in the power, place the jack under the lift point, and press the button. The waterproof and dust-proof housing enhances longevity, making it suitable for roadside use in any condition.
Number 5. ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit 5-ton 12V Portable Lift Range. The ROGTZ Electric Hydraulic Car Jack Kit is a premium option designed for drivers who prioritize speed, safety, and all-in-one functionality. It's equipped with a 5-ton lifting capacity, perfect for large vehicles, and operates seamlessly via a 12V power supply. Design and construction. ROGTZ combines sturdy steel components with a sleek, portable casing for easy storage. The integrated LED light allows visibility during night operations, and the non-slip base ensures firm placement on various surfaces. The set also includes a power cable, gloves, and an impact wrench for tire replacement. Performance. The hydraulic system allows smooth and rapid lifting to a maximum height of about 17 inches within a couple of minutes. Its built-in safety lock keeps the jack stable under load, while the auto stop feature ensures user safety. The unit also has an overload protection system that shuts off automatically when exceeding its weight limit.